Hello and welcome back to a brand new video on my channel, where for today's video, look at this little bit, it just doesn't want to stay in the bun. That's fine because I've taken it out. Yeah, today's video is going to be a hair tutorial. So I am going to show you how to get beachy waves in your hair with a hair curler. Because sometimes when you curl your hair, it doesn't, you want it to look beachy and it doesn't, and then when you brush it out, it doesn't look beachy, if you know what I mean. I feel like I've had that problem a lot until I started curling my hair this specific way to get it beachy. So I'm just gonna dive straight in. Where's my comb? I don't know where my comb is, but I'll just part my hair by doing that. So first, you just need to part your hair wherever it usually parts. And then just give it a nice brush through. So I've got 3 products that you're gonna want. Some hairspray. Maybe, well, you don't have to have this, but I just like to use it, some curl hold spray and some heat protectant spray, because curling and using heat on your hair can really damage your hair, if you do it quite often. I used to straighten my hair every day, and my hair isn't in bad condition right now because I've been leaving it loads without using heat on it, so that's why I don't really mind using heat on it today for this video. But yeah, ooh, this is leaking. It's leaking. Look, oh, it shouldn't ought to be doing that. It's actually leaking really badly. Why is it doing that? Okay, I'm just gonna hold it really far away from me and do it. Just spray the heat protectant spray all over your hair. I've just got it in my face, nice. And just leave that for a few minutes. It just does what it says, really protects your hair from the heat. Brush that through. And then you're gonna want a clip or something, or a bubble, to keep the rest of your hair out of the way whilst you curl your hair. Okay, so I've actually just read the back of my curl hold spray. It's got heat protecting anyway, so that's great. Well, because I'm real professional, I'm just going to be using a scrunchie to part my hair and keep sections out of the way. That's real professionalism, if you ask me. So I'm just going to do that and then keep it out of the way with a scrunchie, and just brush my hair through the bit that I want to curl. And I'm going to use some of this curl hold spray on it. It says on each section. So I'm just going to do that, and you just have to kind of work it in. It smells like wine. Yeah, it smells like wine. And I'm just going to brush that through and then get to the curling. So I use this Tresemme curling wand. It's just a 1 length wand all the way down. You can get ones which graduate, but this is just a 1 length one. And I'm going to take my section of hair and I'm going to wrap it round, but leave what doesn't matter, that bit doesn't matter, leave that much out at the end. So I'm just going to hold that for a few seconds. And when you leave an inch or so out at the end, it gives you kind of a different style of wave. These ones aren't obviously going to look as good because they're on the bottom, and my hair's a lot shorter on the bottom than it is on the top. But yeah, if you just keep doing that, this one will be a bit better because this one's a bit longer. I'm always just leaving that 1 length out at the end. Yeah, that's the kind of wave that you get from it. So it is a dead beachy wave, but I'm literally gonna continue that for this whole section. Okay, so that is the first little section done, and as you can see, they're just really light beachy waves. And once I've done the first section, I just literally blitz it with hairspray. Oh, my face. This is a really good holding hairspray, so I just give it like that, and then I just so then I take down my next section. I always chuck these behind my shoulder so that they don't get mixed up in my next section, and I start to do my next section, and that's what I'm going to do right now. The same rule applies. I do exactly the same for each section. Get that bit of hair out of the way, thanks very much. I use the curl hold spray first and just do a few sprays of that and just work that through with my hands, and then I'll brush it out. Oh, did I get another curl in there? That other curl wants to come in the brush, but no. And then obviously I'll just demonstrate again. I take a chunk like this big and I just wrap it around my curler, and I leave out like this much at the end just to give it that beachy look. So then I'll show you what this curl looks like, and I'm just going to continue with the rest of my hair until I get to the top section. I'll show you what I do there. So that one looks like that. Oh yeah, I also want to mention that, I didn't mention this, that I do my curls alternate ways. So how I wrap that one like round that way, I'll put the curler in front this time and wrap it round this way, just so they don't all merge into one big curl, if that makes sense. Like sometimes my hair just merges into one big curl, so this kind of makes the curls look more separate, so you get more of like a beachy look really. So that's what I do there. And then the curl. I'm just going to continue with the rest of my hair until I get to the top, and I'll show you what I do there. Okay, so I'm down to the last like probably 2 strands of hair to curl at the front of my face. So when I get to this part, I always curl the hair away from my face. Otherwise, if you curl it over your face, it might look a bit like, it'll just come over your face a bit too much. So I always curl these bits away, away from my face. And last but not least, there we go. I'm just going to spray with hairspray. And then I like to just probably just do that. And there you have it. There is your nice beachy waves. It took me less than half an hour. Like, it doesn't take loads and loads of time to do it. I guess it kind of depends on like the thickness of your hair as well, on how long it will take you. But yeah, this is the finished result and I really like it. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Yeah, I really like doing my hair like this. It's just like a quick thing to do with your hair, like especially like today my hair didn't look right in a bun, it didn't look right in a ponytail, it didn't look right straight, it didn't look right down. So I was just like, oh, forget it, like I'm just going to do something completely different to it. So I did this. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.